Boda versus long distance? We tested both Honda Aces so you don't have to. The CB125 Tuff and the Ace 150 might look similar, but they're built for completely different lives. The 125 is your rugged workhorse. Smaller engine, better fuel economy, and built tough for rough roads and daily Boda grind. You'll get around 50 to 60 kilometers per liter, and at 167,000 shillings, it won't break the bank. But the 150, that's your long-distance champion. More power, smoother ride with less vibration, and a 5-speed gearbox that handles highways like a dream. Sure, it costs about 27,000 more, but you get USB charging, better comfort, and the muscle for heavy loads. Bottom line, rough roads and tight budget? Go 125. Paved roads and passenger comfort? The 150 is your ride.